Hello students. Last period we saw about property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Today we will going to study about test of similarity of triangles. First of all, in previous standard you learnt about similarity. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides, ratio of their corresponding side in the same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of this condition, means 6 condition, 3 sides, ratio of 3 corresponding sides are in proportion and 3 angles are congruent with the other corresponding angles of the other triangle. Out of these 6 conditions, specific 3 conditions are required to show the similar triangles. Group of such a specific 3 conditions are termed as test of similarity of triangle. Here is the first condition, A test for similarity of triangle. Here are 2 triangles are drawn, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, correspondence is ABC correspondence PQR. Correspondence is most important. Here angle A congruent with angle P. A congruent P. Identical mark ने दाखवलेले पहा. Congruent angles are shown by identical marks in figure, means angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q and angle C congruent angle this R. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by AA test for similarity. Then what is this test? For a given correspondency in the vertices of 2 triangles, 3 angles of one triangle are congruent with the other 3 angles of the other triangle. Then the 2 triangles are similar by these 2 tests. Second test is AA test for similarity of triangle. Now see here. Suppose here measurement of this angle is 50 degree. Then this will be 50, this 70, then this angle also 70, and we have to find measurement of angle A and P. You know angle sum property of triangle. All angle sum property of triangle is like this. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So here 7 plus 50, 120 and 180 minus 120, here is a 60 degree. Here also same condition, 7 plus 50, 120, this angle will be 60. Means if 2 angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding 2 angles of the other triangle, then 2 angles are similar by AA test. Why? Because when 2 angles of one triangle are congruent with the 2 corresponding angles of the other triangle, then remaining angle of first triangle is ultimately congruent with the remaining angle of the second triangle. So AA test for similarity like this, when 2 angles of the one triangle are congruent with the corresponding 2 angles of the other triangle, then 2 triangles are said to be similar by AA test for similarity. पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जेव्हा एका त्रिकोणाचे 3 कोन दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या 3 कोनाशी एकरूप असतात, तेव्हा ते 2 त्रिकोण AA टेस्ट नुसार सिमिलर असतात. आणि जर एका त्रिकोणाचे 2 कोन हे दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या 2 संगत कोनाशी जर सिमिलर असतील, तर ते त्रिकोण AA टेस्ट नुसार सिमिलर असतात. का? तर जेव्हा एका त्रिकोणाचे 2 कोन दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या 2 संगत कोनाशी एकरूप असतात, तेव्हा उरलेला कोन हा दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या उरलेल्या कोनाच्या मापा इतकाच असतो. सो बाय AA टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी काय सांगता येईल, किंवा AA टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी फॉर अ correspondency of vertices, if 2 angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles are similar by AA test for similarity. Third test is SAS. S stands for angle. Angle. Similarly, SAS means side angle, side test of similarity. Here are two triangles, KLM, and another triangle is RST. Measurements of sides are given. Here KLM means L angle is congruent with S, and side KL is 1.5, side RS is 3. Side LM is 2 and side ST is 4. So in triangle KLM and triangle RST, correspondence है KLM, correspondence RST. Angle KLM, congruent angle RST. See here. And KL upon RS घेतला आपण तर 1.5 upon 3 which is equal to 1/2. And LM upon ST equal to 2 upon 4. It is also by simplifying 1/2. Hence, KL upon RS equal to LM upon ST equal to 1/2. And means these two sides are in the same proportion. Ratio of these two sides are equal. Means these two sides are in same proportion. And angle included by them. बघा इथं हा दुसरा अँगल नाहीये तर या दोन साइडच्या मधला अँगल included by them are congruent with each other. When such a conditions are given, then we can say that triangle KLM similar triangle RST by SAS test for similarity. Then what is this test? For a given correspondency of vertices, when two sides of one triangle are in proportion with the corresponding two sides of other triangle and angle included by them are congruent, then two triangles are said to be similar by SAS, side angle side. दोन साइडच्या मध्ये तो अँगल करस्पॉन्डन्सने आला पाहिजे, कॉन्ग्रुएंट असला पाहिजे, तरच आपण त्याला SAS टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल असं म्हणतो. Now fourth test is SSS test for similarity of triangle. Suppose in this figure, this side is 3 and this side is 6. Angle is not congruent here. Then side KM किंवा segment KM upon segment RT ratio equal to 1/2. 3 upon 6 that is equal to 1/2. Means here KM upon RT equal to 1/2. See here. This last test, SSS test, sides. When three sides of one triangle are in the same proportion with the corresponding three sides, corresponding meaning बघा, KL corresponds to RS, LM corresponds to ST, and KM corresponds to RT. KLM and RST triangle मध्ये पहा, KL upon RS equal to LM upon ST equal to KM upon RT equal to 1/2. Means all ratios are equal, means the sides are in same proportion. Therefore, triangle KLM and triangle RST are similar by SSS test for similarity or SSS test of similarity of triangle. Tests are not asked in the exam, but exam मध्ये questions based on this test are asked. Show the two triangles are similar by which test or which correspondency. So correspondency is most important. First we have to write first triangle in any order and second triangle taking which parts are congruent or which sides are in proportion. हे पाहून मग दुसरा ट्रायंगल करस्पॉन्डन्सने लिहायचा असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं आपण ट्रायंगल एबीसी लिहिलाय, ट्रायंगल एबीसी करस्पॉन्ड ट्रायंगल क्यूपीआर लिहिलं असतं तर चाललं असतं का पहा. क्यूपीआर, क्यू अँगलचं मेजरमेंट 70 आहे आणि इथं एचं तर किती आहे 60. सो करस्पॉन्डन्सी जर चेंज झाली तर कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल राहत नाही. सो करस्पॉन्डन्सी इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. हिअर वी लर्न 4 टेस्ट. A test for similarity, AA test for similarity of triangle, SAS test of similarity and SSS test of similarity. या चारीच्या चारी टेस्ट तुम्ही नोटबुक मध्ये व्यवस्थित विथ फिगर लिहून काढायचे आहेत, त्याचे स्टेटमेंट्स लिहायचे आहेत आणि सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल त्याच्यावरचे सोडवायचे आहेत. ऍज वेल ऍज सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल सोडवत असताना ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आर गिव्हन. दॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑल्सो यू हॅव टू सॉल्व्ह. आणि एक 2-3 वेळा यू हॅव टू रीड 3-4 टाइम्स दिस टेस्ट ऑल्सो. दो द टेस्ट आर नॉट आस्क्ड इन एक्झाम, बट हाऊ टू राईट the correspondency, how to write congruent angles or how to write proportional sides. For that purpose you have to learn these tests carefully. Okay, now you have to write these tests in your notebook with figure. Solved example. Today's homework is write these 4 tests by sequentially, then write solved examples. Activity is also given. You have to solve or you have to complete this activity. Okay, thank you.